Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create a project for you. In this project, it's easy and useful. We were using Gemini that you already know about it, and we were using Jupyter, Pandas, and maybe math and random. Okay, what is the project about? Thinks you are an school teacher and want to pick the smart and elite student. How you can do it? You have 50 students in the school, let's say 100 students in the school. Okay, how to create 100 students in the school? We say Gemini create a list of a Python list of 100 English names and wait. Okay, it's correct. Now we copy these names, and after that we need some grade for them. For example, I ask Gemini tell me 6, for example, a school 6 is okay. 66 school courses. Mathematics, science, English. Let's create them. Mathematics, science, English, history, social studies. For foreign language, we go with French. Am I write it right? Okay, we have 6 lists for scores. We want to create a CSV file contains these names and grades for all of these names. Okay, we go to our CSV file. At first we save it by the name untitled. We go to our LL. For now, we create an empty CSV file. Delete, save as, project 1, we call it scores. For example, it's a name. Now it's not important one. When you are in a big project, it's really important to name them right and well. Okay, we create our CSV file here, scores. Now we want to import our CSV file. How we can? At first we must import Pandas. From now here we create notes. How we create notes? Here, for example, we can give a note. Let me create a note. I write here reading data and enter. These are not so as I okay, we create them. Now import Pandas. After that we say data, not data frame, you see data frame is equal to pd dot. Okay, we don't import Pandas as pd dot read CSV, and the CSV file name is scores.csv. Let me see, it's scores. Yes, now run it. Wait. Why? Let me save it. What? No columns to phrase from file. It says the file is empty. Okay, let's create something in the file to not be empty. For example, a name column, for example, we call it 1. Just save it. No, 2 and 1 and go to 100, cut them, put them here, 1, 2. Oh, sorry, 1, 2. Save it now. It's Excel. We must save it as CSV. Okay, it's CSV. Let's run it again. Now it's running. Let's see what is our CSV file is. Data frame. Our CSV file is an empty file. Now we want to put this name in this CSV file. How we can do it? Just search. How to put list in Pandas data frame. How to append a list as a row. No, we want to append a list in Pandas data frame as a column. As a column. We don't want any row. How to convert a list to Pandas data frame. Let's do something. Let's change our scores a little. We put a name here and then save it. Now again run it. Okay, sorry, it does run and run it. Names are now. Let's assign a value to names. Data frame. I know now the answers, but I want you to know how to search and know coding for yourself. Data frame is equal to what we should say. Okay, let's say data frame name is equal to names. Let's create them empty list just to run this line. Okay, run it. What is the problem? Invalid syntax. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let's run it and see what happens. What it say? Length of values 78 does not match length of index 100. Why? Let's see. It's give us some error that's about the length of values. We can just say how we can get the length of list len names. Easy peasy. 78. The Gemini give us 25 name lower. Okay, let's go to Gemini. Why it I don't copy or it doesn't give us? It's not important. We just cut that list and put it again. No. Can you make it 100 name list? Thanks. Can you put them in Python list? I think this time it may be 100. Okay, let's run it. Now let's run it. It's 100. Now the code must work. Okay, let's print. Not print, we can just say data frame. The names added. Now we must add the scores. It's the next lessons tomorrow's course I tell you about the how to add scores. Okay, for now have a good day.